We are approaching the 10th anniversary of the Graphene Flagship, and this time has flown very quickly, but if we look at what happened, it's amazing what we achieved in such a limited period of time with respect to what is required by technologies to develop from the lab to the factory floor. Over the past 10 years, we have gone from graphene flakes of the size of 1 micron to 300 millimeter wafer scale production. We have been able to go from 0.01% yield in liquid phase exfoliation to multi-tonne production of graphene. And we are gone from having 0 companies in Europe utilizing graphene or producing graphene products to having tens and tens of companies, hundreds and hundreds of patents distributed over the entire European Union and the UK. So we have fulfilled the vision for our initial 10 years. We have exceeded it in many respects, and in particular we have firmly demonstrated that graphene is not a curiosity for the lab, but is a true enabler for new technologies.